Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PayPal payments in Adalo apps, full guide step by step clearly. To configure PayPal payments in your Adalo app, start by logging into your Adalo account. Open the app you want to integrate PayPal with. Navigate to the database section on the left side of the screen. Create a new collection for your PayPal transactions. Add fields to this collection, including user ID, amount, and transaction status. Next, go to the Marketplace section of your Adalo dashboard. Search for the PayPal integration option. Click on the PayPal integration and then select Add Integration. You will be directed to enter your PayPal API credentials. Log into your PayPal account in a separate tab to obtain these credentials. Find your API credentials in the Settings or Developer section of your PayPal account. Copy your client ID and secret key from the PayPal dashboard. Return to Adalo and paste these credentials into the respective fields. After adding your credentials, save the integration settings. Now, you'll need to set up a payment button in your app. Navigate to the screen where you want to add the payment function. Drag and drop the button component onto your screen. In the button settings, change the action to create a PayPal payment. Link this action to the PayPal collection you created earlier. Set up the amount field based on user input or predefined values. Ensure the button is clearly labeled, such as Pay Now. Next, you must configure the success and failure actions. Likewise, set up a failure action to inform the user if the payment didn't go through. Preview your app to test the payment process. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing. Once you're satisfied, publish your app changes. Your Adalo app is now ready to process PayPal payments seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.